If you have ever used SideStore to sideload apps, you know that it requires a computer for initial setup. But finally, you can sign and install SideStore without any computer or jailbreak using your own Apple account. Thanks to the new SideInstaller, and the entire setup can be done right from your iPhone or iPad only. Before I start, please know that this awesome trick works on iOS 27. So I have updated to the iOS 27 developer beta. Let's start off by launching Safari browser and visiting this website. Link will be in description. The first step is to install SideInstaller app. On the homepage, you will find many direct links to install SideInstaller app. Just try installing the app from here, and it may happen that the app may not get installed, like you see here in my case. So you can either keep trying with other direct links until you find a working one, or we will use an alternative way, which is by using the Esign app. So visit this Esign website. Link will be in description. On the website, first navigate to the DNS section from this floating navigation bar. Simply tap on this download button, and it will redirect to this Linkvertise page. You can refer to this guide here on how to download the DNS. And after following the instruction correctly, you should reach this page. Finally, tap on Open and download this DNS profile into your iOS device. Once the same is downloaded, go back and launch the Settings app, and navigate to General, and then to VPN and Device Management, and install the DNS by inputting your device's passcode. Please do not skip this step of installing the DNS, as without the DNS, the Esign app may not work. Next, go back to the Esign website, and from the list of direct links, try each one of them one by one until you get a working one. So just tap on Get, and then tap on Install. And as you can see, that Esign is installing. But if it fails, go back to the website and try another. Like in my case, I will try the Commission Election Certificate. And as you can see, the Esign app is successfully sideloaded without any issues. And now, if you launch the Esign app, you should get this pop-up. So, to overcome this, launch the Settings app and navigate to General, and to VPN and Device Management. And here, simply trust the certificate. And you will be asked to restart the device to trust the certificate. So, do as instructed. Once the device boots up, you should get this notification on your lock screen. Now just unlock the device, and you will be able to launch the Esign app successfully, like you see here. Now that we have installed Esign, let us finally sign and install the SideInstaller app using Esign. So launch the Safari browser and visit the SideInstaller website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and simply download this SideInstaller IPA file as shown here. Once downloaded, head over to Esign app. While being on the Files section of the app, tap on this three-dot icon located at the top and select Import from Files. And now simply locate and import that SideInstaller IPA while wherever you have it downloaded. When you get this pop-up, select Import to App Library. Next, you will find the imported SideInstaller app in the App section here. Finally, tap on the app and select the Sign app. And on the final page, select Start Signing. And once the signing process is over, just select Go to Install. So tap on Install and install the SideInstaller app. Quick heads up, I'm using an early build of this app. That's why there's no app icon yet, and the interface you're seeing isn't final and may change with newer updates. And this is the interface of SideInstaller app. And before installing SideStore, we will require one last app from App Store called Local Dev VPN. So go ahead and install the app, launch the app, but do not connect it yet. And if you are sideloading for the first time, you will have to enable developer mode, which is very easy by the way. Simply head over to Settings and navigate to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the bottom and enable the developer mode, and finally restart the device to apply the changes. Finally, once we have everything set so far, let's go ahead and sideload SideStore without any computer. Launch the SideInstaller app, go ahead and enter your Apple ID and password. This is required to sideload SideStore using your free Apple developer account. It's totally safe, and moreover, the tool is completely open source. Next, under What to Install section, make sure to select SideStore. And finally tap on Install SideStore. You can find all progress here and also on-screen instructions, like now it says to connect to the local dev VPN. So do as instructed and enable the local dev VPN. You may have to do the initial setup for VPN. Once enabled, go back to the sideinstaller app again. Make sure to allow sideinstaller to find devices on local network. Next, it instructs to pair with this iPhone. And if you scroll down further, you will find the guide on how to pair. So go back and launch the Settings app. Navigate to Privacy and Security, and scroll down to the Developer option. Here you will find this new option. Simply tap on Pair with sideinstaller. And to pair, you will have to enter 6-digit code which appears on the sideinstaller app. Copy this pairing pin, go back and paste the same here, and finally complete the pairing process. Next, it will sign into your Apple ID. And during this process, if you encounter any error, you can scroll down to find the log to understand what the issue is. After fixing the issue, tap on Install SideStore again. During the login process, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will have to complete the login process by entering the two-factor code. And if everything goes all right, the downloading process should start, as indicated by the Progress section. And eventually, the SideStore app will be signed and installed, like you see here. And now if we go back to the home screen, you can see the SideStore icon here. One last thing to do is, trust your free developer certificate. Launch the Settings app, navigate to General, and then to VPN and Device Management. And you will find your Apple ID here. Just trust the certificate, and you are good to go. Let's launch SideStore now, and as you can see, we have successfully installed a working SideStore without any computer. And now, you can navigate to the Settings option. Log in with the same Apple ID and password which was used in sideinstaller. And now, you can delete the DNS profile as well as the Esign app. Although it's optional, but I would suggest you remove it as it can interfere with the working of SideStore. And now you can use SideStore to sign and sideload IPA files. Simply tap on this plus icon here and locate any IPA file of your choice and import the same. In my case, I will sign and sideload the Feather app. And as you can see, the app signing process has started already. And eventually the target app will be installed successfully, like you see here. And launching the app indicates that it's working without any issue. But one thing to keep in mind that whenever you are signing any app using SideStore, make sure that the local dev VPN is enabled. And moreover, these apps never ever gets revoked or blacklisted. And to refresh SideStore and other sideloaded apps, first make sure that the VPN is enabled and working. Next, head over to SideStore app, and as you can see that the app's expiry date is in 5 days. So just tap on this Refresh All option, and within no time, all the apps including SideStore will be refreshed, and the validity days will be reset to 7 days. That's it for today. If you found the video helpful, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to enable JIT using SideStore, watch my next video. Thank you.